are you running?
Hey guys, it's your girl Rosalicia, and today I'm going to be giving you an updated legwork tutorial. So we're going to start with the basic one, then we're going to go to the crossover, and then we're going to go to the butterfly legwork. So let's get into it. Start with the basic legwork. The first thing that you want to do is that your knees are slightly bent. A lot of Afro dance moves, you're always positioned this way. So this is how I'm positioning my body. Start with our right leg. On our tiptoes, we're gonna go right, left leg steps, right leg comes back. So we're going right, left, right. Right, left, right. When I'm stepping forward, my body comes up. When I'm stepping back, my body goes down. Yeah? So we're going right, left, right, right, left, right. On the side, it looks like this. Right, left, right, right, left, right. Remember, your knees are slightly bent and you're on your tiptoes for these moves. Same principle applies to the left-hand side. We're going left, right, left. And again, left, right, left. From the side, we're going and 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Yeah? So when we add both of them now, so with your right leg, we're going right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. From the side, right, left, right, left, right, left. Remember, I'm on my tiptoes for these moves here. Right, left, right, left, right, left. The key to this move is that you don't want to step too far apart, because then it's just gonna look funny. You wanna make sure that it's subtle. It's not too far, you're not stepping too forward, you're not stepping here. You just wanna keep it small, because that's the key. Keep it small and you will get it. So we're going faster now. I mean, medium tempo, sorry, I know you're not ready for that. We're going 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1 and 2. Don't focus on the hands right now. Right now, just focus on your feet. If I'm going too fast, just take your time, rewind it, repeat it, all the re's, okay? Medium tempo, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, it's the same thing. Practice makes perfect, because when I was learning this, it took me time. I was literally outside my house practicing every single day before I got it. Practice makes perfect, so take your time with it. Don't put too much pressure on yourself, okay? We're gonna go slow, medium, and then we're gonna speed it up again, okay? We're going right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and then right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and then right. Fast, and we're going boom, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and to the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and. With what I'm doing with my upper body, it's more of a freestyle. Whatever you want to do, you can do. You know, you can do, my sister. So I can either go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Listen, just play with your arms. Okay? Another thing that I've noticed that I tend to do that might help you is that when I step forward, the opposite shoulder goes forward, and when I step, the opposite shoulder goes forward. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But it's not too, hey. We're not doing that. We're not doing all of that. It's just, you know, a lot of them is like just subtle and your own styles, okay? And practice at your own speed until you get it. And remember, the key to this is that your knees are slightly bent when you're doing it. If you get more advanced and you want to do it here, yeah, that's up to you. But if you're still working on getting this move, I would recommend just being down here, being down here, yeah. So that was a crossover leg work. It's almost the same principle as the basic one. The only thing is you're crossing over. Easy, right? No, I'm joking. This one is quite difficult, so you have to take your time with it and learn it, okay? So what we're doing, same principle, knees slightly bent. We're here, our body is positioned this way, and then we hop on our left, and at the same time we kick with our right. So we're going 1, and again, 1. So to help with this, when you kick, you want to lean back slightly to give you a bit of balance. Not too much. Remember, my key word here is subtle. very small, very minimal, very demure, very, very cutesy. So we're going hop, yeah? And then once you're here, your right leg is gonna step out. Same, it's a lot of step, 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 yeah? So instead of just doing forward step, step, we're doing kick, right leg steps, left leg comes out, yeah? So we're going hop, step, step. Let me show you to the side so you can see we're going 1, 2, 3, yeah? So same principle applies to the left-hand side. What we do on our right, we're doing on our left, you know? So we're going, we hop on our right hand, care, hey! we hop on our, oh my God. We hop on our right leg and then we're gonna kick with our left, yeah? And then the left leg is gonna step out, right leg follows. So we're going hop, step, step, hop, step, step, yeah? Remember the key is, let me show you from the side so you see what my body is doing when I hop and kick at the same time. I'm going 1, 2, and a 3, yeah? So everything together now. I might be going faster, but take your time, just breathe, because you're gonna get it. If I was able to get it, you can get it. Nothing is impossible through God who strengthens us, okay? Everything together now. Start with our right leg. We're gonna kick, step, step. Left leg, kick, step, step. And again, kick, step, step. And a kick, step, step. And kick, step, step. And a kick, step, step. Let me show you from the side so you see. We go 7 and kick, step, step, and a kick, step, step, kick, step, step, and a kick, step, step. So faster now, yeah, we're going. No, not fast, medium tempo, sorry, I'm rushing too much in it. So we're going 5, 6, 7, and kick, step, step. So one thing that I've noticed is that when I'm kicking, my left leg or whatever leg you're stepping with slightly goes in, to give you the balance, because a lot of these moves is that you don't want your legs to be too wide apart. You want it to be not too close as well, because then you're gonna just be kicking yourself. So we're going kick, step, step, and a kick, step, step, and a kick, step, step, and a kick, step, step. Medium tempo now we're going 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Faster now we're going. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hey, 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 hey. It looks complicated. If you haven't got it up until now, I would just say practice makes perfect. Take your time with it, start slow, do medium tempo, and then faster. We're gonna do that now from slow, medium, and faster. Okay, we're going kick, step, step, kick, step, step, kick, step, step, kick, step, step. Medium tempo, we're going kick, step, step, kick, step, step, kick, step, step, kick, step, step. Faster now we're going kick, step, step, kick, step, step, kick, step, step, kick, step, step. Even faster, we're doing ha, 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 ha. Hey, it's like you're passing the ball to somebody. So that's basically it. Try repeat it as many times and go at your own pace, okay? So on to the next one. So that was the butterfly leg work. This one too is a little bit complicated, so you need a lot of patience and practice to get it. So knees are slightly bent. Start with our right leg. Our right leg is going to come up on your heel. We're going to twist it towards our right hand side. Left leg is going to follow. And we're going to jump back. It's easy, right? But once you start doing it faster, it gets harder. So we're going twist, step, and a jump. Twist, step, and a jump. Twist, step, and a jump from the side. This is how it looks like. Twist, step, and a jump. Yeah? So, same principle applies to the left-hand side if you want to do it on your left, but today we're only going to focus on our right-hand side. So we're going twist, step, and twist, step, and. Remember, my body, my knees are slightly bent and I'm positioned this way. Forget about the arms for now. The main focus is on your legs, yeah? So when we're speeding it up now, we're going twist, step, jump, twist, step, jump, twist, step, jump, and a twist, step, jump, yeah? We try to increase the speed now because what we're doing is that we're climbing the mountains. So the more we go, the more we climb, the more difficult it gets. Medium tempo, we're going twist and jump, 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 twist and jump. When we're starting to go faster now, I don't tend to jump on both legs. I only hop on my left leg, if that makes sense. So I mean, this is what I mean. I mean, twist and jump, 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 twist and jump. So faster now we're going twist and jump, twist and jump, twist and jump, twist and jump. I've noticed a lot that I usually jump into the move before I go. It's completely up to you. You can literally start with the twist and jump, or you can just hop. It's basically the same thing, yeah? So don't get confused if you see me hopping and doing the same thing. For me, I jump because that is my prep to go into the move. Do you get what I mean? I'm talking dance language, but I hope you're still here with me. So we're going faster now, we're going twist and jump, twist and jump, twist and jump, twist and jump. Hey, 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 hey. It's basically the same thing. So the faster you get, I feel like what I tend to do is I cheat the move, as in I do it, but I do it very small so I can do it as fast, if you get what I mean. I hope I'm making sense. So let's start from slowly, medium tempo, and then we speed up. So we're going 6, 7, and twist and jump, twist and jump, twist and jump, twist. I lost count, but let's keep going. Twist and jump. Medium tempo, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Faster, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope you're following, yeah? So again, we're going slow, medium, and faster. We're going 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Medium. 1, 2, 3, 4. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you get the gist. You get the whole thing, right? Last thing that I forgot to add is that with the hand movement, you can basically, like all the leg work, you can play around with your arms. A lot of people do the butterfly with their arms out. So you can be here, you can be eating, but whatever you want to do, just do it, okay? So slowly, medium, and then faster. So 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. I hope this helps. Take your time to practice and enjoy it. Thanks for staying tuned with me. Bye.